How to download and install Darkest Days on PC. Ready to survive the apocalypse on the big screen? This guide shows you how to download and install Darkest Days on a PC. Darkest Days is available via the official launcher or Steam. Visit the official website and click PC download. If you prefer Steam, search for the game and click Add to Library. Make sure you have at least 20 GB of free space for high-res textures. Run the installer and choose a directory. We recommend an SSD for faster loading times in open world zones. Once the launcher is installed, it will begin downloading the main game assets. Once complete, quick play. If prompted by a firewall, allow access so you can connect to the multiplayer servers. You're now ready to enjoy the wasteland. Installation is complete. Like and subscribe for more PC survival tips.